So once you have this, the one thing that a lot of you have that's a problem, and I don't know how exactly you're going to get rid of it, is you do not want to have a background on this. That honestly is a failing of my instructions because I just assumed that all of you had transparent background on. A lot of you have white background on. So what you're going to want to do if you don't is if you have, say for example, you have a white background on this layer, literally you could just take a magic wand on the background and click the white and delete it. But you want to have, this is what you want to see. So for every layer, you want to see the checkerboard in the background. It's easy to fix. Like I said, you can literally just take your magic wand on the white and hit delete every one of those layers. It's very quick.
Why do we want a checkerboard?
Because that means it's transparent. You want checkerboard because it means there's nothing there. And whenever we make these, you want to make them transparent in the background. Okay. I would say it's about half and half. Half of you do have it, half of you don't. Once you get to this point where all of your colors cycle through, you're going to go to Window, Timeline. You're going to click Create Frame Animation. And you will see it kick off right immediately. I'm going to hide everything but layer 1. I'm going to change the length of my animation to 0.1. And then I'm going to go over here and click New. I am then going to turn on number 2. I'm going to click New. I'm going to turn on 3. I'm going to click New. I'm going to turn on 4.
Click new.
I'm going to click New. Turn on 5. Click New. Turn on 6. Click New. Turn on 7. Click New. Turn on 8. And then once you get to that point, you should be able to come down here and hit the play button.
No, that just looks like it's there to make you hypnotized.
Sure. That is the point of this right here.
Plus, it also looks like it's going through a tunnel.
Okay. Once you get to that point, you're going to go to File. Again, this is new. Export, Save for Web Legacy.
I'm scared.
And you're going to save this as an animated GIF. So I'm going to make sure it's GIF 32. I'm going to make sure that looping forever. And I'm going to make sure the transparency is turned on. And then I'm going to on. Because I'm going to save
Space.
my Stark thing, wherever it's supposed to go. Right now I'm going to save this to the desktop just so you can see it. But that file is what you'll turn in. You'll actually turn in the animated GIF here. And then what that will look like you can open it in Chrome. You can't really open it. And there it is. So that is what you'll turn in. You'll turn in your animated GIF as the finished piece.
That looks like a banana.